Hello students, I hope you all are safe at home. Today I am going to explain you lesson number 17 and the name of the lesson is Gender Discrimination. So let's start the lesson. Sometimes discrimination is seen in the upbringing of boys and girls in our country. Our country is a country of diversity. In modern times, boys and girls have been given equal rights in education. Because of traditional belief, even today, in some areas, girls have difficulty in achieving the right to education. One of the reasons for child marriage is the difficulty or inconvenience of girls getting equal right to education. Women are unable to get higher education as a result of child marriage. Their development is stagnated and their health has detrimental effect. Men are paid more than women for the same work. Women work as doctor, engineers, lawyers, pilots and government jobs, etc. Gender differences are mostly seen in villages. Higher education for daughters has become easier due to special financial help and facilities provided by the government. Now, next topic is upbringing of boys and girls according to Indian belief. In the year 2001 census, a large difference was found in the number of boys and girls between the age group of 0 to 6 years. Inequality in the number of boys and girls has increased because of the female foeticide. For this, the government enacted an anti-foeticide law. It is also a crime to test the gender of a baby in a womb. According to the Indian belief, the son was given importance among the offsprings to carry on legacy of the family. The participation of women has made a huge impact on this belief in the last decade. You may have participated in various events in your school. Note the activity of boys and girls in the school program. So, children, on page number 106, chart is given activity done by girls and activity done only by boys. So, this is homework for you. Next topic is traditional belief. There are many myths prevalent in our country about gender discrimination. There are many differences found in the upbringing of boys and girls. In some areas, girls were not allowed, in some areas, girls were not even allowed to complete primary education. For the last 2 decades, special efforts have been made by the government so that the girl can complete their primary education. With the special efforts by the government, the number of girls in our army and police is increasing today. Parents prefer their daughters to work in their own area instead of sending their daughter out of city for studies or job. For the last a few decades, women are seen in various fields. Women also join the space sector. The government is constantly striving for the safety and protection of girls. On the basis of traditional belief, it is observed that even today, in some communities, problems are faced in educating girls. Less number of girls are given opportunity of higher education. Lack of interest among the parents is seen for girls' education. Special assistance is given for this purpose by the state government for higher education. Now, next topic is inequality in household work. We have seen that there is discrimination between boys and girls in simple matters. This discrimination becomes a problem later on. Such discrimination is more commonly seen in driving and learning bicycles or other vehicles or in small to large household chores. We may see such discrimination at home, school, or at public places. Let us discuss about some of these things. So, children, you are having one chart over here, activities of girls in the house and activities of boys in the house. So this is homework for you. So please do this homework at home. Next is women empowerment. The task of making house into a home is possibly only by women. You can see a perfect example of this at home. Women are seen at the forefront of caring for children and other responsibilities at home, in addition to their professional duties. In modern times, women are facing such challenges. In addition to all her duties at home, she also participated in the management of the house in fulfilling financial responsibilities. In modern times, women have succeeded in establishing their own identity. In today's time, women are advancing with their unique identities in various fields. Apart from sports, films, entertainment, politics, space, women are also getting involved in the areas of science and research. Women are moving towards in difficult fields like defense. Many women in our country have achieved extraordinary feat. There have been a number of programs and planning by the government in the last 2 decades to empower women. Assistance is provided for animal husbandry, industries, and other ventures under Startup India and Make in India. Many schemes are implemented for women empowerment. Women are given financial assistance to start an industry. Many organizations also work for women empowerment. Government schemes, public bodies, and other help women to become self-sufficient. In addition to schemes for women empowerment, special arrangement and schemes for girls have also been implemented in education. Now, student, I will explain you the further topic in my next video. Thank you.